The world is evolving faster than ever before. But no matter what the challenge, our children will find the solution. For at Ryan Group, we are preparing our students to stand tall and ask the right questions, be innovative and claim their future for themselves. Equal and enterprising, we nurture their potential to be whoever they want to be and whatever their world needs them to be. Eco-activists, tech entrepreneurs, global citizens, world champions, nation shapers. At Ryan International, we are preparing tomorrow's leaders today.